Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to uninstall ReShade in any game. All you have to do is open up Chrome and search ReShade and press enter. Select the official ReShade site. Scroll down and select the download ReShade with full add-on support. After the download done, click on the setup and select OK option. Select the browse option and you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. After you are in the game folder, select the game application file and select open option and select next and select DirectX 1112 and select next. Uninstall reshade and effects, select it and select next option. And as you can see, successfully uninstalled reshade. Click on finish and that's all you have to do it guys. We have successfully uninstalled the reshade from this game. You can now open the game without any reshade effects. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.